Hello everyone, this set of system is Cargas 40 cubic meters oxygen generator. It is composed of air compressor, refrigerant dryer, PSA dryer, oxygen generator, and also storage tanks. System product oxygen meets USP medical standard at 93% or higher than the standard. Its main features: firstly, pipelines are collected and fixed with flanges and screw bolts and marked at all joints, easy installation after arriving at the customs site. Secondly, the control system is simple to operate. One key to start and stop. Welcome to visit Cargas factory or send us email. Telephone us for more detailed information. Thank you.